Hi guys, I'm Skiwithpete, and today we're taking a look at the new MK, or mechanicalkeyboards.com, Fission. This Fission keyboard is a TKL keyboard that I know very little about, besides the fact that it's a TKL keyboard and it has the brand new Cherry MX silent switches, which I'm really excited about. So let's get inside. First thing to do is look at the outside of the box. Look at this. It's still wrapped in plastic. I really have no idea about this, but look, it says Fission there. Mechanicalkeyboards.com. Fission. Silent. Cherry red silent. And on the back, there's some technical details. I love the smell of keyboards in the morning. I don't know. That probably won't make the edit. That's not a funny thing. I don't know. I mean, you can smell the keyboards all over this thing. Oh, it smells like a mechanical keyboard. Is that funny? Steph's not laughing. Okay. All right, here we go. Beautiful, slick black box here. You know, you guys know I'm into packaging. And this is just beautiful and simple. Here we go. All right. In the back here, we've got a mechanicalkeyboards.com puller and a cable. Let's move this cable through the other side and pick this up. Besides that, we have nice user manual. I really like this detail. That's really nice. There's some sort of, it's like padded under there. It's really nice. But Fission again, beautiful. All right. Put this off to the side. Okay, so just taking a quick look here. This is like it's like a folded piece. But before we look at that, I just want to show off this. Look at this nice little detail here. Fission written on the side of the spacebar. And over to the side here, there's a couple more things printed on the side of these keycaps. I'll get to those in a second. All right, so let's just look at the design here for a second. This, you can see it's got this black curved front. It's like a rounded edge there. But along the back, you see it's got like a wedge-shaped design here. And I think that's going to let the LEDs shine through on that. We'll get to that in a minute, but the first and most important test of all is this one right here. Oh, you'll also notice this is a full size. This isn't a 10 keyless. This is a full size keyboard. All right. Cherry MX Silence. My first ever play with them. Here we go. It's quite a loud spacebar for I suppose that's actually the stems. Not the stems, the stabilizers smashing into it. But it's quite quiet. Like, it's much more, for sure it's much more quiet than, I mean, just to give you a comparison. Just to give you a little comparison. Gattistottles, Cherry MX Silent. Slam down to the bottom as a sound test. A little bit of that is rock on my desk. Wow, fun. Okay, let's get back to the review. So, first thing to say is that this, oh, super slick here. So this is all metally. This is plasticky. These are the flip feet. So you can change the angle on it. Nice. Fixed cable. This is a non-braided. It's like a standard cable. All right. Let's plug it in. Whoa. Did you get... Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, lights and stuff. I might just unplug it and replug it back in for the lighting effect. Whoa, cool. Okay, what you might not have seen was that the edge lit up around the sides here. Let me show you. Edge light. So this like wedge, this wedge is lighting up too, which is pretty cool. Function 1. Function 2, which is breathing mode. Function 3, reactive mode. Okay, next is raindrop mode, wave mode, firework mode. Let's see what that is. Ripple mode. Crosshairs lighting mode, which lights up around the letter. And FN9 turns the sides into so you can adjust the RGB of the side walls, not of the actual keys. The keys are always going to be that white backlit. On the other side here, there's some function keys that you can use to open up specific parts of your computer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the lights back on. Whoa. Oh, let's take a look at these keycaps, see what they're all about. So let's just take this keycap here. This is the escape key. Wow, that is on snug. Now that is actually a high quality double shot. Wow, that is, if you guys want to know what a high quality backlight keycap should look like, this is what it should look like. That's not painted. That's not painted and lasered like you'd get on cheap ones. That's an actual double shot Look how good that looks. Here, let me get in closer. That is actual double shot goodness. I wonder who made these keycaps. That is such good quality. That look, I just pulled off this other one. Oh, that'll focus. Come on, focus. That is an actual quality cap. And then of course this is pad printed. This little. So with function F1, it would open your My Computer, and that's printed. But this is double shot, so that you get a beautiful backlighting through that. Again, that's what you get when you get quality. Now, just before I go too far away from this, you can see that these are indeed cherry keycaps, and I mean, that's as close to silent as I've ever come across. Well, I don't use a whole lot of full-size keyboards, but that is pretty sweet. I'm just going to switch this back on. Man, I just want to listen to it. I mean, the RGB side panel is great, and the different lightings available on the under the keys is great. But really, all I want to do is just keep typing on it. All right, guys. Well, that has been the mechanicalkeyboards.com or MK Fission. Check in the About section below for relevant links to this and everything else you can see on my desk. This is a pretty cool keyboard and a really neat switch. I'm really glad that this switch has come out from Cherry, and I think the only place you can buy it at the moment is at mechanicalkeyboards.com. Top quality materials, top quality keycaps, great new switches. This is a real win for mechanicalkeyboards.com and for the MK Fission. I really like it. I think I'm probably going to try using it. I personally don't need a keyboard with a numpad on it, but hey, why not? Thanks again for tuning in today, guys. If you haven't already, please press like, please press subscribe, and don't forget to check in the About section for relevant links. Thanks to everyone who supports this channel. If you haven't already, you can do so by supporting this channel on Patreon, or you can check in the About section below for a link to supporting this channel and buying me a cup of coffee. Thanks again to everybody who has, who will, who did, who does, who shared this video, and who subscribed. Thanks again. We'll see you guys again soon.